Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a boat today. This is a 2018 Monterey model 238SS. This boat is on brokerage here with us, so MarineMax is helping a customer try to sell it. We'll start in the back. You can see it has a nice swim deck with sea deck all the way around. So if you're hanging out, watching the kids swim, nice area to do that. And then also you got a nice backrest that pops up, and you can push it back and hang out back there. Also want to mention that this boat has the 6.2 liter 300 horsepower Mercury with the Bravo 3, so it's got twin props on the back. And then as we walk in, you can see the sea deck does come through in the walkway and down into the cockpit area. You've got nice seating all the way around. You've got a backrest that faces this way, and then you can actually lift it up and face it the other way if you'd like as well. There is a filler cushion that goes into here if you'd like. There's a cooler that's in there. You can see the speakers here. They did upgrade this boat with JL audio. So you've got JL audio speakers with a JL subwoofer and amplifier. As we come to the helm, we've got some nice lighting in here. You've got dock lighting, you've got courtesy lighting that illuminates the cockpit. This particular boat has 291 hours on it, so not a lot of hours, which is great. You got the nice helm seat here, the nice steering wheel. As you saw, we do have a nice tower with integrated bimini, two biminis actually, into this tower. As we come to the bow of the boat, you've got nice seating that wraps all the way around. And then on both sides, you can actually lift this up and you've got some storage underneath the backrest here and the backrest here. So this boat here is in Rogers, available for appointments if you want to call ahead. Otherwise, you can come in and we can walk through this boat. Again, this is a 2018 238SS here at our Rogers location. Give us a call to take a look at it, and I hope to see you soon.